Welcome to Artificial Intelligence with Python Sequence Learning by Pratik Joshi, a course by Pact Publishing. I'm Alistair Ruane and I will be the presenter for this course. Pratik Joshi is an artificial intelligence researcher, published author of 5 books, and TED speaker. He is the founder of Pluto AI, a venture-funded Silicon Valley startup building an analytics platform for smart water management powered by deep learning. His tech blog, www.pratikjoshi.com, has received more than 1.2 million page views from over 200 countries and has over 6,600 followers. He is an avid coder and has won many hackathons utilizing a wide variety of technologies. He graduated from the University of Southern California with a master's degree specializing in artificial intelligence. You can learn more about him on his personal website at www.pratikj.com. Let's start with the course overview. This course is a guide to all speech and sequential data analyzing systems. We will build a speech recognition system at the end of this course. Let's look at each section in detail. The first section, Natural Language Processing, covers techniques used to analyze text data, including tokenization, stemming, bag of words, and so on. You will learn how to use these techniques to do sentiment analysis and topic modeling. The second section, Probabilistic Reasoning for Sequential Data, shows you techniques used to analyze time series and sequential data, including hidden Markov models and conditional random fields. You will learn how to apply these techniques to text sequence analysis and stock market predictions. Section 3, Building a Speech Recognizer, demonstrates algorithms used to analyze speech data. You will learn how to build speech recognition systems. The flow of the course is concept, example, code approach. By the end of this course, you will be well versed with speech analysis, language processing, and speech recognition. For this course, you just need the latest version of Python installed on your system. So, let's get started.